Welcome. If you want to set up face unlock in your ALCATEL freebie, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now, let's tap on the security and location, scroll down and select the face recognition. Right now we have to click on the continue, read the old description, click here, input your currently logged method, in my case it is the pattern, and right now smartphone is going to scan our face when we tap on the start, and we have to put the face right here in this circle, and it's finished. So right now, okay, we have to turn on face recognition on your phone. Yes, we have to click here to turn on, and right now we can check how it works. And as you can see, our face was scanned and it recognized our face. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!